Chapter 1, number 1, you're going to express each phrase as an algebraic expression. Here we have 10, that's plus. Product means to multiply. 38. And G. It's attached via multiplication, so there's a dot, but you don't really need a dot. Okay? That is how it would look like. Or you can write it as this as well. 38G plus 10. Next, we have 6 less than the quotient. Quotient means divide. 2 and a number F. Quotient, when we write it, we use a fraction. So we use this symbol. 2 goes on top and F goes on bottom. The word less than here, this means a minus. So we want to subtract the 6 value here. So it's 2 divided by F, subtract 6. This is the only way to write this.